Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best interior car cleaner that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the 303 UV Protectant Spray. The 303 UV Protectant Spray is the best overall pick simply because it offers better cleaning and protecting functionality than the other products in the market. As a protectant, it keeps the interior of the car looking new and prevents cracks, discoloration and fading. Since it works on various surfaces, the spray saves you the need to buy different products for different surfaces. It works well on rubber, vinyl, PVC, isinglass, finished leather, fiberglass, and gel coat surfaces. This just about covers most surfaces inside the car. Second on the list is the Chemical Guys SPI 663-16 Inner Clean. If you're on a budget and don't like to spend much on car interior detailers, Chemical Guys Inner Clean gives you good value for your money. It's easy to use and cleans quickly, which comes in handy when you want to give the car interior a quick cleaning. Besides its ease of use, the detailer has advanced UV protection to keep cracks and the wear and tear at bay. It's effective against dust and dirt on most plastic surfaces, including dashboards, door panels, steering wheels, and armrests as well as navigation screens. Next up is the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This is an all-purpose cleaner suitable for car interior cleaning as well as maintaining other leather items such as shoes, furniture, and more. Basically, you can use it to clean any leather material. The product is pH balanced, which means it's perfectly safe and able to preserve the material. The cleaner is very efficient in removing dirt and excessive oils from the leather, and it's super easy to use. It also prevents leather from cracking, fading, and deteriorating. The liquid is colorless and odorless, which means you'll be enjoying the subtle scent of the leather. Also, the cleaner contains vitamin E that nourishes the material and reduces UV damage. A little of this liquid goes a long way, so you'll be using one bottle for quite some time. Fourth on the list is the Chemical Guys Professional Grade Premium Microfiber Towel. If you need a quality pack of microfiber towels to maintain your vehicle's interior, the ones coming from Chemical Guys might be a perfect option. They are very soft and highly absorbent, allowing you to wipe clean all kinds of surfaces rather quickly and effortlessly. The main benefit of these towels is the fact they are perfectly safe and won't leave scratches on the car's surface. They efficiently pick up dirt and other residue, keeping the surface clean and neat. The towels are 16 inches long, 24 inches wide, and fairly thick. They are ideal for general surface cleaning and maintaining, as well as for final buffing. You can use them with car wax, sealant, polish, and other vehicle maintainers. Last but not least is the Leather Honey Auto Interior Cleaner. Those who are looking for reliable leather cleaners might want to take a look at this Leather Honey product. It's a highly valued and well-rated cleaner tested by many buyers over time. You can use it on leather and vinyl and make your vehicle shiny in no time. The Leather Honey Cleaner proves to be highly effective and perfectly safe for car interior surfaces. It removes dirt, oil, stains, and other residues that might damage the surface. Along with being powerful, the cleaner is also quite gentle to the material and won't strip it of its natural oils. It features a non-toxic formula that is ideal for furniture, shoes, clothes, and accessories. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.